everyone, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Are you ready for some spooktacular inspiration? Well, you're in for a treat because it's time for the Not Too Shabby Trick or Treat Hop. I'm Jamie, the owner of Not Too Shabby, and today we've got a hauntingly awesome lineup of talent to share with you. We'll be hopping to each of our fantastic design team members to see what creepy and creative projects they've conjured up using new and previously released Halloween products from the shop. Now, I'm sure most of their projects are going to be more on the cute side. To find all the videos in this hop, use the hashtag N2STrickOrTreat. I'll also have the lineup in the description box for you. So today I'm sharing some really cute Halloween donut cards, and I'm going to share some really cute Halloween products that are in the shop. So I had a blast creating it with the Halloween Donuts collection. We have the paper pad and the coordinating ephemera, and I've used a stamp set for my sentiments. This is one of our newer stamp sets called Boo Sentiments. It's really cute. It's got some bold sentiments and then these cute little jack-o'-lanterns. And then it's got a little sentiment here as well. Happy Boo from me to you. I love this one. Whatever spices your pumpkin, trick or treat, witchy woman, boo, and October 31st. So you'll see those on my card. I also added some glossy accents to the donut's eyes. I thought that was really fun. The donuts are all decorated, all dressed up for Halloween. And then the little sprinkles stamp set is from our donut stamp set, which is called Donut Fun. It's this little stamp set here, and there's 2 sets of sprinkles. So I thought that was perfect to add as a little embellishment. So this one, I also added some glossy accents on his little lollipop and on the spider's eyes as well. So let me show some of the stamps that are in the shop. We've got the Boo Sentiments. We've got the Ghostly Greetings stamp set, so you may see this on the hop. We've got the Sentiments Happy Halloween, Ghostly Boo, Beautiful, and Happy Halloween with the cute ghost all dressed up as a witch. From our newer release, this is Best Witches. Now this is such a cute stamp set. I love the haunted house. I did 2 cards using that stamp set. They were super fun, made a fun background, and then used paper from the donut paper pad. We have a pumpkin banner die. Now this die, you can dress it up for Halloween by using the jack-o'-lantern face. There's an example on the back. I also created a card using that. I used our new Charlie die with the pumpkin. The Witching You a Happy Halloween sentiment came from the set here, Best Witches. And here are the pumpkins dressed up just for fall without the jack-o'-lantern face. They are both cute. Let me share the Halloween Donuts paper and ephemera. So this is what I used to create those cute cards. You can see all the whimsical papers on there, cute little donuts, all dressed up, just adorable. And then the ephemera is so stinking cute. Here's some of the leftovers that I have. I'm not gonna bring them all out, but just so you could see how adorable those images are. And there are pumpkins in there and sentiments that say Halloween. Let's see, want to see if I have any of those favorites. There are plain donuts in there and the cute spider as well. Here's a donut dressed up as a bat. They're just super cute. And then we have Halloween Mugs ephemera. This is really cute. It's got some great little characters in there. Mugs filled with lots of Halloween goodies. Here are a couple cards I created using that ephemera pack. Isn't that adorable? We've got the Cute and Pink collection. What an adorable paper pad is this? Pink and orange. Love those 2 colors together. So if you're looking for something not too spooky, this is really cute. The ephemera is called Cute Halloween. And then we've got witchy vibes, which is so adorable. There's these really cool witches in there, some spooky trees, some flowers, just a really, really cute collection. Love this. Really nice color palette there. We also have a pumpkin patch background stencil, which would be really cool for creating a background for some Halloween cards or fall cards. So I just wanted to showcase a few items from the shop that you might see projects being done along the way on this hop. I also wanted to share the new sequence from Crafty Mama Diaries. She has her own shop selling beautiful sequence mixes, and I am now carrying her mixes in the shop. So I have a special section for Crafty Mama Diaries sequence mixes. They are under Scrappy Goodness, and then you'll see Crafty Mama Diaries. So I want to show you this beautiful mix, which is perfect for Halloween. This one's called Midnight Magic. You get a lot in there. You get 3 spoonfuls. Look at how beautiful that is. Really super pretty. There's little stars in there and moons. We've got sparkling confetti in there and some black sequins. Just gorgeous. There's some holographic ones in there, so kind of has a green tone to it when you move it around in the light. Just gorgeous. So I would love for you to check that out. I'll have the links below down in the description box. Thank you so much for hopping. I hope you guys have a fabulous time looking at all the Halloween inspiration along the way. Leave a like, a comment, share some YouTube love. I know that the designers would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for supporting this shop, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!